Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can zoom in TikTok video. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to select any video and click on share. And the first step you need to download the video. So you can see that save video option is showing, and once that video is saved in your gallery, so this option is available in iPhone and in many Android devices as well. So once the video is downloaded, so let me show you the video. Here you can see that the video is here, and you simply need to hold that video to zoom that. But in my device there is an option on the left bottom corner. As you can see that if that option is not available, you simply need to go into the Play Store and you can download any video editor like InShot or CapCut. And in both these apps there is also an option to zoom in on the TikTok video. So this is a process by which you can zoom in on TikTok video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.